Ever had a machine trip on an e-stop and the whole line goes down while you hunt a mystery fault? What if one device could coordinate your light curtains, door interlocks, and e-stops, tell you exactly what went wrong, and bring only the risky zone to a safe stop? That's the job of a safety controller. So, what is a safety controller? A safety controller is a controller designed and certified to run safety functions that protect people and machines. Unlike a standard PLC, it's built with redundant hardware, self-diagnostics, and fail-safe behavior, so that if something goes sideways, the system defaults to a known safe state. Classic safety relays are great for one or two functions, say, an e-stop and a gate, but modern cells mix multiple devices and modes, light curtains with muting, two-hand controls, speed monitoring, zone stops. Wiring that with separate relays gets bulky fast. Safety controllers earn their keep by following international standards like IEC 61508 and ISO 13849. That means meeting defined SIL or PL levels and proving predictable, fail-safe performance. Architecturally, you'll see dual-channel inputs, redundant CPUs, watchdogs, and continuous self-checks. If the channels disagree or a fault is detected, the controller forces a safe state and tells you exactly why. Diagnostics don't just help compliance. They slash downtime by pinpointing which guard, encoder, or output tripped the stop. Today's safety controllers scale from a compact master with a few I/O to distributed systems with 100-plus safety inputs and dozens of safe outputs. Expansion modules add encoders, speed and position monitoring, or force-guided relay outputs. For integration, you'll see safety or standard networking like Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, Profinet, and Modbus TCP, great for pushing status and diagnostics to your main PLC or HMI without miles of discrete wiring. Choosing a safety controller? Start with your required PL and SIL device count. Then, look for modularity and expansion for future zones, graphical configuration tools with simulation and clear fault logs, network options that match your plant, certified support for the functions you need, an e-stop, gates, light curtains with muting, two-hand, safe speed, and position. That alignment keeps you compliant and makes changes painless. Bottom line, a safety controller centralizes protection, simplifies wiring, speeds troubleshooting, and scales as your machine evolves, keeping people safe and uptime high. To learn more about safety controllers, visit us today at AutomationDirect.com, the #1 value in industrial automation. Click here to learn more about safety controllers. Click here for more videos.